Hello there, YouTube. This is Market Michael coming at you with the banking crisis, liquidity crisis of 2018 revised in a nutshell, because we all are a little bit nutty, aren't we, guys? Okay, so basically at the heart of the situation, the Fed causes the problem with in central banks and banking practices of the Rothschilds. They created fractional reserve lending, lending out more money than the bank actually has. This causes, and they do it at a tremendous rate. And this causes malinvestment, this causes credit crunches, and the business cycle. So this is where the booms come from, all the cheap lending, all the lending going on constantly, and its zeros are being created out of thin air, and also it creates the business cycle and booms and crashes. This creates big businesses and causes less saving for investment, because you're not relying on yourself anymore or other people to save. You're relying on banks to create the money out of thin air. Um, it creates big businesses because when we have these credit crunches, the little guys get killed because the little guys are like foolish enough to get suckered into these rates. And You can get ARM rates, adjustable rate mortgages. You can get adjustable borrowing capabilities, and the little guys get screwed. And they can't afford it like the big banks do, and the big guys get bailed out. So even when their company goes under, in the last recession they got bailed out. That's not really fair, um, and it's sad that it does create this divide. It creates this gap, and every time it happens, it squeezes more and more. The Fed goes behind the government's back on purpose. Now, this is a fact, and the Federal Reserve was created in secrecy in order to get the agenda of, to do the agenda of, those in power. Um, the Fed is a corrupt piece of our situation going on here, and they are supporting the fake news, and it's a shame about what's going on. I think I think the Fed is one of the main causes of our problems, and we should audit the Fed and see what they're doing. Um, Basically, this is everything I said in a nutshell. I mean, I gave evidence, and J.P. Morgan says that this next crisis will be a liquidity crisis like 2008. Um, but basically, I wanted to summarize that 25-minute video, because that's a long time for you guys to sit there. So you could just watch this quick video, get the gist, and that's what I'm gonna try and make my videos like, guys. I'm gonna try and get short, precise, sweet thoughts of process, and get them out to you so you guys can understand it, digest it. If I do happen to find articles or something that supports my case, I'm just gonna mention them and put them in the description so you guys can check them out at your own time. Well, thank you very much. This is Market Michael coming at you with another video. Please like and subscribe for more similar content. And as always, have a great day. Happy Easter, and take care.